Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to play Steam games on your phone. Okay, first things first, what you want to do is to open up your App Store and search for Steam Link. In here, download and install the Steam Link app on your phone. Once done, open the Steam Link app. Grant the necessary permissions when prompted. It will then scan for computers running Steam. If your computer isn't detected automatically, choose Other Computer and follow the instructions. On your computer, open Steam, go to Settings and then Remote Play. Enable Remote Play at the top by checking the box. Click Pair Steam Link and enter the PIN displayed on your phone to complete the pairing process. On your phone in the Steam Link app, locate your paired computer and select it. Your computer screen will now be mirrored on your phone. After that, you are all set. You can use your phone as a remote control to play your Steam games. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now play Steam games on your phone. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.